And tonight, mental health is again in the spotlight.
Yeah, Latino youth from all 5 East End towns came together to discuss their concerns when it comes to emotional and mental health access.
News 12's Joe Arena joining us now from the Eastern Long Island Youth Summit tonight. Joe.
Yeah, Doug, tonight's Youth Summit was the idea of a 21-year-old who says she hopes summits like these are just the beginning of more talk and more listening about when it comes to mental health. A first-of-its-kind summit tonight based solely on mental health issues and solely guided by a handful of East End youth. This group got together tonight to not only discuss what they say Long Island's East End Latin youth and youth in general need most when it comes to mental health solutions, they also made a list of 3 barriers that need to be addressed: money, lack of awareness, and parents. Tonight's organizer, Emily Lupersil, says for those lacking health insurance, out-of-pocket costs for mental health professionals prevents many from getting the help they need. And Emily says,
with parents, some people here, most of them come from Latino families, and we talked a lot about generational trauma. So when certain families go through certain, things in their life that are traumatic, they're just taught to push to the side and keep on going.
And for East Hampton High School student Daniel Torres, tonight's meeting was a comfort zone for students like him to talk about issues they have that they hope their parents will eventually become comfortable talking to them about.
Adults, it's not so easy to talk to them. It's not so easy to be able to relate in the sense of like what we're going through. It's not the same thing. Even as like how they were during teenagers, very different era. So I think being around other people our age, it was really a lot easier to have a more meaningful and deep conversation.
And back out live here. Now, this group will be taking that list of barriers we just mentioned, giving that list to community leaders who they say have the power to get them the help that they need. Live in Bridgehampton tonight, Joe Arena, News 12 Long Island.